the Kuwaiti banks have generally performed, or Kuwait in general has performed better than the other GCC countries. That's simply due to their, let's say, greater fiscal discipline and their ability to sustain lower oil prices than many of the surrounding countries. So Kuwait is, at a slight advantage. So if Kuwait is at a slight advantage as a country, so are its banks. So as banks, we have been performing in Kuwait a bit better than elsewhere in the GCC. Nevertheless, the growth is obviously single digit, and there is no question that the slowdown or the reduction in oil prices has impacted the economy and obviously the banking system.
Well, I'm going to take perhaps issue with what you said there, because back in August of 2017, Fitch Ratings commented, and I quote, that large asset-liability mismatches remain among Kuwait's banks. Would you agree with that? And if you do agree with it, is it a cause for concern?
I agree with that completely. I don't know if it's a feature that is exclusive to Kuwait or is more a regional feature. Maybe Kuwait has a little bit more of this mismatch. However, certain banks, and we the first actually, have remedied in large part to this situation through issues of bonds. So we were the first Kuwaiti bank to issue a senior bond after the government of Kuwait issued its debut senior issue. So we're very pleased with the result, and it has indeed actually rebalanced our asset and liability maturity in a much better way.